Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to buy a cheap domain and hosting. So let's start. How do you create an email address for business or professional use? And not only use at gmail.com or info. Instead of this, you can use info at your company name.com and also your domain. This is very important to look professional as business because if you want to turn a company, you really want to have a business mail. So I recommend you to use easymails.com. In this page, you can get the domain as well as your business email without any problem. So let's go to email.com, just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We have 4 different packages. We have the mailer and we have basic, standard and premium website. In this case, basic and standard give you a free domain, but you can get a part of this. In case that you want to the premium website, this give you the free domain instantly. And also guys, with our promotion code in the description below, just click on the link, you will get the 80% off from this price. So it's amazing. And also we give you the 30-day money plus 30-day money back warranty. It means that you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we return the money to you. And the benefits is that you have 40 mailboxes, you have monthly cancelable, chat support, security checks, and also guys, if you want to get the email or the domain easily, you can get in less than 2 minutes, and also you can get the chat support 24 hours for you. So that's how it works guys. Just go to order, and here on order you transfer to the page for payment. We have 14.99 per month. Just go to promotion code and just add this promotion code that I told you, and you get the 80% off from that final price. So just wait a little bit until the code is ready. As you can see here, 80% off, and you only pay $3. Then just write here your email address, and that way we can contact you instead in case we have problems or something adapt. We can contact you there. Your domain, your business email, it's important to you right here, your card information, your number and month and CVC, and your card holder name. Your billing address is important too. You can use whatever region you prefer and just write your address. If you want to see information, do it. If not, there's no problem. Just click on subscribe and you will subscribe to the easy mails and you get your domain and business email quickly. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.